OBS. I'm streaming live on YouTube. So let's quickly load that data and let's go. Cannot be music movers. So I have actually loaded my data, and this is it. It comes in this format, this table, where it's a that is Power BI sales data set, and it comes in transaction ID, customer name, region like south, west, north. It's actually generated by ChatGPT. Then product category. These are the category of products that we have. And product name, quantity that was sold in that specific transaction. Then the unit price, that is per price. Then transaction date. This is the date when the transaction happens. Then satisfaction score. Are you satisfied from 1 to 5? Like 5 star satisfaction, you want to give it a star. Then sales rep, Sarah Johnson, the representative who made the sales. So this is the data we're using, and let's get to work immediately. So the first, we're going to integrating that's integration with AI tools in Power BI using the sales data. So we'll learn to integrate Power BI built-in AI visuals, Q&A, decomposition tree, key influencers, dice, and smart narratives to extract insights directly from the data set. This is one of the things we'll be learning today. And first, let's load it quickly. I don't know if we've loaded it. Okay. Load, get data, we've done that, and fine. The visual is Q&A visual, natural language queries. We are going to insert Q&A visual. In the Q&A box, we should type total. We can just set total sales by region, average satisfaction, top. If needed, you can create a calculated column too. Let's do this. Then we run the queries. The Q&A let students discover insights without manually building visuals. That's what it helps us to do. So let's go to our Power BI. Go to our visual. Insert Q&A. This is the Q&A. Simple as it is. We can ask as simple as total sales by region. And just say total. Okay, it's no problem. Let me increase it. Total sales by region. Enter. Save it. So on the database, we have sales web region. And ask this question. Look, it automatically brings this. Can also add more, like say average satisfaction score by product category. Average satisfaction by what? By product category. By pro, by product category, and we enter, and we get this. You're getting it. So we basically tell what we want, and it build it for us quickly. Can also ask it questions like top 5 customers by total sales. Top 5 customers by total sales. You can just say top 5 customers. I think his column is customer by what? By total sales. Total sales. Get this. Sum of quantity customer names. Let's expand this. And the interesting thing is, in the case the context of your query is not understood, it will tell you exactly what it understood and what it's given. For example, it said top 5 customers by total sales. It top 5 customer name of Power BI AI sales data set by total quantity, right? So that is what it's saying. So it's putting the customer name and their quantity of sales. So in a case that we want, because you know how the table works from our experience in accounting, this Power BI is literally teaching us accounting in a way. We know that yes, unit price is different from total price. So for what if you want to know which customer or customer name performs best, we can okay for each transaction let's just sum them up. It's total unit times quantity, unit price times the quantity, right? Then we can get the total sale made per transaction, right? That is why we can say total sales equals to sales quantity times what? Sales unit price. So quickly let's create a calculated column. Remember, right click and put calculated column if you remember very well, and we can call that total sales, and it's equal to what? Um, unit price, unit unit price times what? Times quantity. And if you get this, and if you commit this or run, it's going to create that column, and we can make this our where we'll use to query now quickly. If you go to our, you can still create another one. So look at the total sales. So top 5 customers by total sales. Now it understands it better because there is the total sales column now. It's not thinking of quantity anymore. So Deborah, Deborah, uh, Deborah Williams has the highest, right? So that's about that. This is the DAX expression. And in the case you want to ask other questions, you can go to your Power BI and create more than one QA. And add another QA. Let's insert another QA. You can ask this question like total sales per region. Total sales per region. Yes. Add another QA. And this will come up. So the Q&A let us discover insights without manually building our visuals, right? This is AI features, that is natural language queries. Next thing is this the composition tree. We want to add the composition tree. Composition tree. Insert the composition tree visual. Set total sales as the analyze field. Add region, product category, sales, and explain field. Explain by field. Are we ready for the next? Let me just remove this. Let me go and add the decomposition tree. Hmm? So we are going to add region, product category, and sales rep as explained by field. What, and what? Region. First, we drag region to explain by field, and we also add total sales at analyze field. Where is total sales? That we just did. Total sales. We bring it to the analyze. Then by region, by product category. Where is product category? We've added region. Product category. We also add it to the by region. What again are we adding by region? Sales rep. Eh? Decomposition tree. Eh? Inside insert. Go to insert, you see the composition tree there. Then by sales rep as well. So with this decomposition, say we can say in furniture, because furniture product category comes first. Had it been this comes depender comes first. So you can put the order matters. Region first, product category second. So let's put region first. So we start with region for each region, then we can decompose to product category for each product category, then we can decompose to each product. So we can say Wilson made 909. Wilson made these sales, and Anna made these sales. David made these sales, and more. So this is the decomposition. And the interesting thing about all this thing is that the equivalent is always checking it through, drilling through the data automatically. So that's the composition view. We good? Now the key influencer, insert a key influencer visual. Set the satisfaction score as the analyze field. Add product category, region, unit as explained by field. Observe which variable influence customer satisfaction. So quickly, let's go and add a key influencer visuals. And in the analyze field is total sales that we're adding to the analyze field, right? Yes, we're adding, sorry, we're adding satisfaction score to the analyze. That's what we want to analyze. Want to analyze for that. That's what is the main point of analysis. Then we also add product category first, followed by region to the product category into the explain field. Then we also add followed by region to it again, then followed by unit price, unit price. And the last we put sales rep by the sales rep. No influencer found. So let's first reduce this on analysis. So we want to check what is actually the key influencer for customer satisfaction. Is it region? No influencer found. Try adding some. So we keep adding field. Is it sales rep? No results. So we add fields to check which uh, is it product category? Is it region? Where is region? And we run in increasing order. No such for try adding some other fields. So what is influencing this? Okay, let's check what is influencing the price. Then key influencer and total. Where is total price? Total sales. Let's add it to what we want to analyze. And first, let's drag uh, region to the explained by, and let's add sales rep. What about product category? Then unit price and sales rep. Unit price. So usually, if you found any dependency like in the table, that okay, something is influencing something, then it will always say as a key influencer. That's what this is used for. So basically, we didn't find any, even in increasing or decreasing order. So that's another. We have the key. We have tried it. These are the AI visuals, the Q&A, the key influencers, the decomposition tree. Not check the narrative, right? So let's quickly go and check the narrative. A smart narrative. So we are going to insert a smart narrative visual. When we get to Power BI, automatically generate text insights like the average total sales is this. North region contributed the highest revenue. Customer satisfaction is higher in closing. Where we can actually edit the narrative to customize auto-generated insights. So quickly we are going to add our narratives AI. So we can just quickly create that. This one we do not have any key influencer. Let's just get that first. Let's just allow. Oh, this one is custom. This one will allow us. We want us to connect to. I'm not signed into my Power BI yet. Using the developer version, so I can connect to Power BI or Copilot. Is asking for me to input my email address. So quickly, let's just say that those are the four major AI visuals that we have: Q&A, the key influencers, the composer, and the narratives. Is that clear? We can explore that further later. So let's quickly do this as classwork. Let's use Q&A to answer which sales rep had the highest sales in 2024. Quickly, which sales rep had the highest uh, sales in 2024? If you want to answer that, you know how it's done. Quickly, in this kind of form, we use the word Q&A. Which sales rep had the highest sales in 2024? Okay, James Abi. Hmm? 2024. And Robert. Exactly. Remember, like any other visual, you can always customize fields. So that's that. Then the next task is use the decomposition tree to drill into revenue by region, then product name, then to product name. Quickly, let's do that. We want to use decomposition to drill into revenue by region, then product name. So is there a revenue here? Revenue is what? Total sales, right? Revenue is always metrics by what? Total sales. So we want to do that. We add what? Decomposition tree. The revenue is always what? Total sales, right? That's what we're analyzing. And we have to drill it down through region and product name. So through region first, then product name under. And then we'll do this. Get this. That's about that. Like what we learned yesterday, we could actually even make this visual more appealing. Edit the bar, edit the size, edit the width, and the author is 0 now. Then add something more. Then add color and change things. The progress could be green, darker gray, or even something red. So you know the one that has not been filled already. You can choose your color. This is a very bright red if you choose. That's that, but usually it's best when it is on green for true design appeal. You can just red them. So depending on your design theme, and if you even view on mobile, and click drag to see what's going on. Let's go back to our desktop. Be good. Let's move forward. Then the next task saying you should use key influencers to identify what drives higher satisfaction score. What drive higher satisfaction score? So quickly, like we have tried key influencers, what drive high satisfaction score? We're analyzing satisfaction score, increment and decrease. And first, let's check region running. This has no influence on it. No influencers found. So we take it down. Let's put sales rep. Does the sales rep, according to the data, drives? If you look through the data and see that sales rep does not really drive, then I don't know. It's not finding any. So does the unit price drive? No, it doesn't. So that's that we have not seen anyone that drives according to our data set. Moreover, it's not a real data set. So add a smart narrative that summarizes your dashboard. Well, we are not connected. So that's about that all. Eh? The smart narrative is just like it helps us to quickly narrate what is happening It just gives text insights for us like this. It tells us the average total sales is this. North region contributed the highest revenue. Customer satisfaction is higher in clothing. Something like that. But we are not connected. So that's basically in textual format. So so we are going to use advanced data visualization using sales that same database. So we will learn how to create professional grid visualizations with conditional formatting, custom visuals, bookmarks, and drill through. It's very, very important. That's what we're going to learn now. Then first, after we have loaded we have that, and we have the total sales, which is our major metrics, our revenue center, and we are going to insert funnel chart. So funnel chart, which is sales pipeline example, we are going to visual panel, going to funnel chart, drag products category to the group, and drag total sales to value. Quickly, let's do that. Who can tell us which is the funnel chart? Is this Python? Oh, I can add Python visuals too. This is R script. Oh. The key influencer is also here. You might get key influencers from here. You can get it from here too. And then the composer. Is there the composer here? There is no decomposer here. There is narratives here. Is there Q and A? Yes, there is Q and A. There is, yeah, the composer. They are all here. You must not even get it here. There is Power Platform. You can insert new visuals, more visuals from app source. You can get some from remote sources as well. So quickly, they wanted us to add funnel. Okay, this is funnel. So quickly, I'm going to take this out first and drag this funnel here. So we are going to take the product category to the group and total sales to the value. So product category to the group, and what's the value? Total sales to the value. It's total sales. So see, furniture is this, electronics is less, it's the same value, the clothing is less, so it's coming down like a funnel. So this is called sales pipeline. So the funnel now shows total sales by product category from highest to the lowest. Funnel style. The highest are furnitures, and so the category could be product category. You can put something more by region as well in case salesperson who has the highest and has the highest, and normally it comes from highest to the lowest, right? Then you can still go by product name. Then if you don't want that, you can want to know which product name has the highest sales. Let's say see, let's expand. Office chair has the highest sales. Smartphone X has other following sales and so much and so much. So the funnels help us order sales just like that. So this simulates a sales pipeline where electronics, furniture, this is for further clothing can be compared. So we can compare what we want to group and their quantity. Now we are going to conditional formatting. We added a little bit of snippets of conditional formatting yesterday. Uh-huh. Then highlighting performance. Let's insert table visuals. We get all those things from table, usually like we have seen, and right click total sales column and conditional formatting background. So customer name, region, and total sales. So quickly, let's add a table. Let's build another page quickly, please. So we are going to a new table. Where is the table here? And we're going to add customer name, region, and total sales. Customer name followed by region, then followed by total sales. It's quite long. Then on the total sale, we right click and okay. Well, this is where we do on the total sale. We can come here. Where is the total sum of? Come here and go to uh, custom conditional formatting. You can use background color like we did yesterday, and choose a color scale. Background color. Choose a color scale. Low for red and high for green. Low for red and high for green. Get this. Sorry, the window of formatting in crop, but you always get what you want to format my value here. And you see conditional formatting. So we learn how to see instantly which customer contributes most least. You say that you can clearly tell that this Angel Lee, I don't know, is there Sha, is one of the worst contributors. Uh, right? 197. You can see numerically. It is 197 and it's very, very red. This one 77. This one was. Eh? Uh, so that's why it's right. The least one is red and the green one is what? High. You say? Yes, ones that are doing well. Exactly. So that's about that. So now quickly, that's for formatting, conditional formatting. We are going to custom visuals from app stores. Well, I don't know whether we are connected to this, but we try it out if we are connected. So we go to visual, get more visuals like we have seen, and install one of this Sunky chart and word cloud. Quickly, I'm going to go to my Power BI if it allows me and start more from app. Yeah, they're asking me for my email again. Eh? Because I needed to be logged in. For so quickly, it's just asking you for your email. It's just asking you for your email. You have to be connected to the internet before it allows. So there are other charts that are there. Now let's talk about drill through. Let's do that and go straight to drill through. So this drill through creates a new report page. We name as customer. So we are going to call this customer details. Quickly, we go to new page and we call it customer details. And wait, we have done that. Add fields, customer name, region. So mhm, okay, we are going to drill through now. So quickly, let's go and add the table. And inside the table, we add customer name, region, product category. customer name, region, product category and total sales, product category, total sales, and satisfaction score. And they say we should go to the main dashboard. Add customer field to drill through filters. So we're going to this place and add a customer field to the drill through filter. We are going to add what? Customer name field to drill through. Customer name. Now right click the customer in the main tab table. Then drill through customer details. There's a table here. The system is looking smart now. Okay, so we are adding customer name to the drill through. I want to drill through Adams. You can drill through like this. No, I drill through is not working. Well, just help us to think. Let's just. I'm having a little bit of confusion in this drill through issues. Please pause this drill through exercise. Hmm? Hmm? Say to this place. Yes, I've added it to. Yeah. Some of. Okay. To which place? Okay. Yes, to columns. Yes, it's here. It's here. I was supposed to drag a customer name to the drill through. I have done that. That's basic, right? I was expecting something to reflect. Okay, you didn't check this thing. Cross report. You know, cross report. You want a cross report drill through. This is for one person. The drill through is working on its own. So, bookmarks. Okay, no, you drag. You drag it. Can drill through. So we're going to bookmarks. That is an interactive what storytelling. On the main dashboard, let's create two layouts: summary view, summary views, summary view. That is funnel plus KPI card and details with customer table and something. So we're going to go to. Let's create. I'm going to take all this out quickly. So we're going to create two layouts. The first layout is summary view containing what? Containing funnel and KPI card. So I'm going to add the funnel, which is basically this is the two layouts. Funnel, and what we're funneling is we are dragging a products category to the category. I'm dragging a total sales to the values. Sorry, sales or quantity of sales. Let's drag quantity of sales. Value. Excuse me. Products category. What's happening? By category, yes. Mm-hmm. Add value field. Yes. I hope we have not. Oh, we are drilling through. Bad. So the drill through was the one that was just giving us issue. So let me take that drill through off. The two layouts we want to create is first the funnel, then the other one is a KPI card, which is this. We're just going to add total sales to it. These are the two layouts. First, I'm going to add a little bit of visual as usual. General, I don't know, I want a little bit of background color. Same here. General, I want a little bit of background color. Shadow, sorry, not background color. Just these two layouts. Then after that, the second view is a detailed view, customer table and plus Sankey chart. So we're going to add customer table to it. So we're going to go to table here, and customer, customer, region, uh, let's say sales rep, sales rep. Let's leave the sales rep. Products, got a product name, quantity. Let's talk about the quantity the person has sold, and basically, let's leave it as that, right? Let's check this card. So the next thing they want us to add is this. They will add customer table plus Sankey chart. Which one is the Sankey chart? We have waterfall chart, ribbon chart, line chart. This is scattered plot funnel, of course. Gauge, Azure map, field map, tree map, donut, pie chart, multi-row, KPI, slicer, tables, matrices, R, Python, influencer. These are AI tools, goals, paginated report, card, button slicer, edges, power app, and power. I don't think we have any Sankey charts here. Do you see any Sankey chart anymore? In your own, is there anything like Sankey chart? Do you see any of these charts like this Sankey chart? No Sankey chart. Let's leave it as this. I guess. So let's just leave this one. So this is just advanced. Can build more layouts as much as we want. And anytime we slice to anyone, all of them will go just like slicing through. Let me add a little bit of UI elements or making it more appealing. I like that card. Let me continue with my theme of design, something like this. I like this. So this is the mobile view. Mobile is going to be stacked together. The mobile view like this. You can slice in and out. Let's leave mobile view. So quickly, now let's do some tasks. These are some tasks that are given to us for this. Let's create a funnel chart showing total sales by product category. Quickly. Funnel charts showing total sales by product category. For us to do that, quickly let's create a new dashboard. I'm gonna just we could add the funnel. Where's the funnel? Right? And what we are asked to do is what? Showing total sales by product category. So total sales is what we are measuring, which is the value, and the product category is the categories, right? That's basically that. In the case you can, any question? Let's add our visual shadows. Then the next one, they say build a Sankey chart showing region, product, category. Let's leave this. Then apply conditional formatting to highlight top customers. To highlight top customers, we have already done that. Basically, we use what tables for us to apply conditional formatting. We put customer name and what we want to do is sales. I mean, status sales they made. Can add conditional formatting by clicking on that and putting conditional formatting. You can use background color, font color, data bars. Let's use data bar this time around. And lowest should be this, negative should be this. Let's just leave it as this. And you say that this is another one. The ones that performs first have the longest bar, and the one that performs least have the shortest bar. That's another. We do this conditional formatting in Excel as well. So the next task is add a drill through page to view customer level details. So use bookmarks to create a switch between summary and details. So we've not even added this. Go to view, bookmark pan, add bookmarks for each layout. So let's pause here to the next class, please. I'm going to send this note. I don't know. Why should we come and prepare for our exams if perhaps to take a mock exam? Hmm? Saturday. Is Saturday okay with? Oh, I don't know. What time is best for you? Morning time. Morning time it is then. Morning time. It's okay, right? So come very smart idea. Very smart idea. All right. Okay, now guys.